I want to run through my hand layering system here. First, I've just got a very light liner glove. I use these trekking so I don't burn my hands or on the glacier where it's very hot. Obviously these are optional, but I find them nice to have. Next would be some sort of kind of lighter mid-weight glove. I usually use a leather glove with a bit of a fleece lining. These are great for me being a guide because I can pick up a hot stove without burning my gloves. I've gotten used to using these because I can waterproof them as well. But another option would be just a simple kind of soft shell glove such as this by OR. Then we get into our heavyweight gloves. These, in my opinion, are your best choice. These are the warmest gloves on the market. These are the Black Diamond guide gloves. They've got some leather again if you need to handle a stove or move some rocks. Very warm. You want to make sure you have a little extra room in your fingers so your hands don't get too constricted, and they won't get cold if they're not constricted. Black Diamond guide gloves, that's a great option. Another option for a warm glove would be these by OR. They're a little bit of a tighter fit, give you a bit more dexterity, but not as much warmth. So if you're looking for warmth, I'd go with these. Then last but not least, we've got our big over mitts. And these mitts, I generally try and avoid using. I mentioned dexterity before. Gloves give you a lot of dexterity. Once you put these on, you can't really do anything with your hands. So I try and avoid using these. I always have them in my pack. If I were to drop a glove, I could put these on and make sure I don't get frostbite on my hands. Or if I'm just not able to keep my hands warm enough, I can put these on over, say, a lighter layer or a liner layer. So I always have these with me, but I generally try and avoid using them. Hopefully these warmer gloves are going to be enough for you to the summit and back down.